Hi guys, it's Adam from Upgrade My Audi Net. We are now in my 2006 Audi A8L with rear seats entertainment. Like you see, I have the two screens on the headrests. At this moment it's connected with the DVD changer, which is located in the boot. It got the 6 slots for DVDs, but I thought we need something different in that car, so I have installed the Xiaomi TV Stick. Let's turn on the screen. As you see, there is the interface. Here I've got located the remote for this. It actually works very well. At this moment it's connected with the Wi-Fi from my iPhone, I mean with the hotspot. And the screen resolution is not very well, but I think just for the movies, when you're driving on the long trips, it's more than enough. Yeah, so I got here the Netflix, YouTube. Let's check the Netflix first. If you're asking for the voice and the sound, how it's coming from this unit, I've got the headphones jacks here. I can volume up and volume down, also from the other side. So just need to connect the headphones and everything should work fine. Let's check the Netflix first. What we hold? Okay. Let's check the rain. The second screen is now turned off, but I can turn it on and the same will be displayed on the both of them. I can just turn it off and we work with this one. As you see, there are some subtitles. I thought that will be worse, but actually I can read it very well. Okay, so let's go back. Let's check back to the main menu. Let's check the YouTube. That Xiaomi TV Stick, they got some voice recognitions as well. So we're gonna check if I can search something on the YouTube just by my voice instead of typing what I need. Let's go search. Yes, allow. So speak now. Upgrade my Audi.net. Oh, actually works. Upgrade my Audi, see? Let's check something. And like you see, YouTube works very nice. Also on the remote we got the buttons for Netflix and for Amazon Prime Video. However, I'm not using now the Prime Video, so it's a shame that I cannot change that function of that button to something different, for example the YouTube. But let's back to the main WP Pilot is the Polish television online, but probably I'm not logged in, so it will not working. No, actually, let's check this one. Yeah, I'm not logged in, so might not work. Now it works. Okay. Okay. Let's turn it off. What else we have here? iPla and Google Play. So I can install actually every application from the Google Play, because there is the normal Android. You see the Spotify, Weather, Kodi, Plex, Red Bull, Facebook Watch. Okay. I think now I can just turn it off by using this button. No signal. Off, and just hide the remote over here. For everyone who have got the Apple CarPlay from us, each Apple CarPlay module got their own HDMI input port, so we can connect that Xiaomi Mi TV Stick directly into it, and got the Android television just on the main MMI screen. Okay, I'm gonna show you now how it's connected in my car, but because I have originally the screens, the DVD in my car, it was very easy to connect. So let's go to the boot now. Okay, so this is my my car boot. Like you see, there is the DVD changer, the Blaupunkt DVD changer, which was originally connected onto the rear screens. As you see, it was connected by the RCA cables. So to connect this one, I had to buy the HDMI to AV converter, where I plug in the cables from DVD changer. On the other side there is the HDMI input, where I connected the Xiaomi TV Stick. For now everything is powered from the lighter socket, but I will need to find out somewhere here the plus 12 volts after ignition is on, because for now, even if the car is turned off, there is still power, so I don't want to drain the battery. So for now I will just plug off. And yeah, it's okay, like I said, it's very easy to install and very cheap, because for that Xiaomi Mi TV Stick I paid around 30 euro, for that converter maybe 10 euro. So yeah, I think it's a very nice upgrade for any car. And let me know if you like this, if you're gonna use this. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.